Hello, my name is Daniel, and I'm going to present the assignment one for the engineering analysis class. So as you can see, I am asked to ask the user whether we're in a delta or Y network. I'm asked to ask the user to type in the values for impedances. I'm also asked to make the conversion, and finally I'm asked to prompt the user to be able to let the user to repeat the process. So for those who don't know, for those who don't know, this is what I'm gonna show you guys what a delta Y network looks like. So here, as you can see, we have a delta shape for the delta network, and we are trying to switch it to a Y network. And those are the formulas for the conversion. These three are the formulas for the delta to Y conversion, and those are the formulas for the Y to delta conversion. And I'm gonna show you now my script. I'm gonna go over my script to let you guys to let you understand what it is that I did on my script. So first of all, I started with I'm started by asking the user to enter all three impedances, and then I set two sums for for the formulas. If we go back to the formulas, we see that on the delta to Y um, conversion, we have this sum RA, RB, and RC. We have this sum that repeats itself on all three formulas, and if you go on the Y to delta conversion, you see that we have R1 plus R2 plus R2 times R3 plus R3 times R1. We have that sum that repeats itself on all three of the formulas. So that's what uh that's what these sums are for. As you can see, we have complex R1, complex R2 plus complex R3, and here we have complex R1 times complex R2 plus complex R2 times complex R3, and finally complex R1 times complex R3. Then we have the input that asks us to if whether it is a delta network or a Y network, sorry. And finally, we have the formulas for the delta to Y conversion and the formulas for the Y to Y to delta conversion. I'm gonna let I'm gonna let you guys take a look at the formulas to check if they're right, and then I'm gonna start showcasing the formulas. Okay, so now I'm gonna run the code to see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna use very simple complex numbers. I'm gonna start with 1 plus 1j, 2 plus 2j, and finally 3 plus 3j. And then that's how I want to go from delta to Y. And as you can see, it tells me that the following are the resistance entered in the Y format. So 1 plus 1j, zero point 0.5, and then 0.3. And as you can see, I'm able to do the process as many times as I want to. So now I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do 1 plus 2j, 3 plus 4j, and 5 plus 6j. And I'm gonna go from Y to delta. Oh, I typed it wrong. Sorry. I'm gonna have to redo it. 1 plus 2j, 3 plus 4j, 5 plus 6j. And I'm gonna go to Y. And and those are my values. I'm gonna put the formulas back so that you can check them and see if the values are correct. So that's it for my presentation of the assignments. Assignment 1.